Hello, everybody. What is up? If you are looking how to change your Android's hotspot name and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we are going to guide you through the simple process for that pretty quick. So let's just dive right in. You can access your settings application for that. And once you access your settings app, you can go to connection section where your network and internet is located. Now, once you are headed over there, you should be finding option for mobile hotspot and tethering. So you just need to tap on that option. And once you tap on it, you can look out for mobile hotspot and tap on it and look out for the current settings available for your mobile hotspot. Now here you will be finding your network name, your password, etc. Now if you want to change your Android's hotspot name, you just need to tap on this option of configure. And after you tap on it, you will be finding a very first option called network name. Now if you want to change your network name, you just need to type in a new name that you would like to type in. And once that is done, just go over and tap and save. Before that, you can even set up a security. And you can do so. And after that, if you want password, you can enter it up and set it up and just go over and tap on the save option. And that is how you change the network name on your Android hotspot. You just need to delete your existing one and type in your new personalized name and save up the changes to apply the changes. That's it, everybody. This is the method you can follow. You can follow the same process from your quick settings panel as well. Navigate to the mobile hotspot section from here. And once you find mobile hotspot here, hold it up, open up the settings for mobile hotspot, and then you can configure it and change your name for your mobile hotspot. So that's it, everybody. If you'd like to change your hotspot's name, you may follow up this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.